good morning. The time right now is 6:26 and we are in the waiting area, that is the launch at Thrissur railway station. My girl is having her tea and she has already finished her
I'm still having the same vada, guys.
and here's my tea. So we are just waiting here for our train. It is delayed by 1 hour. It was supposed to come at 6:30 but it's coming at 7:35 I guess. That is also if it runs on time. So uncle, auntie and Anais are sitting right in front and we did not get a place there, so that's why we just sat over here. So the plan right now is to travel to Goa. So I'll show you all another amazing journey of the train travel and our food series vlogs.
My chatar patar.
And her chatar patar.
I hope we get this time chatar patar.
Yeah, actually while coming from Nagapattinam to Thrissur we did not get any, so that's why we were just like this and slipping and all that. But I think on this route we'll get a lot of nonsense
Because we are going to Goa.
Yes, so the excitement is on and the excitement for the next journey is also on. So we'll meet you all right when the train comes. So we are going to platform 2 as it will come over there, and yes, so it's time to finally go to Goa. So everyone is right behind me and we'll take the stairs here, which is the overhead bridge. We were nicely sitting on platform 1 for all this while, and then they suddenly announced that it will come on platform 2. So right now we are come to platform 2 and this is not our train. We thought that this is our train only. So we are on coach 14. So our coach number is 14.
2,000 years later.
So our train is finally here after 3 hours of waiting for it. It got delayed and normally also I think it gets delayed only. So we are waiting for the coach B4.
B1.
This is B2. And I will get in. There are a lot of people. So there'll be a rush. So I'll just turn off the video and I'll get in first. So we sat in the train and we put all our stuff up and some in it also. And it's time to have breakfast. So we have ordered, this is what, Appam with chana bhaji, and this is idli.
This is fresh.
What is fresh? Both are fresh. Yes, idli with mendu vada.
So now we are having mendu vada with tomato chutney, and the tomato chutney is too good. Show me. I love the chutney. So tasty.
Train has just reached Kannur Junction and we went down to get biryani. So because there is a pantry in this train, no much food is come. We have to go out and get if we need anything. So we'll just have biryani now since we could not order anything online. Spoon is not there. Okay, I think we have spoons in our bag. Auntie. The biryani today is really good. Day for yesterday when we came it was a bit spicy, but today it's good. Even my girl is enjoying her share. No? Good, no?
But it's not tasting like biryani, it's like rice and chicken curry.
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken with little caramelized onion in it.
So we had our food and now it's time to go to sleep. We'll get up at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock because our train is delayed. It was about to reach at 7 but I think now it will reach at 8. And look who we have here. She is also going to sleep with him. Yeah, so that's the plan. My phone is charging. I'll edit the video in the meantime and then I'll meet you all once we are back in.
2 hours later.
So we just woke up and the time right now is 5 and what we have here? We have tea and we have little arts with vada pav. He was just passing by and we saw vada pav and we woke up, otherwise we were supposed to wake up at 7 when the train reaches. So we'll have vada pav now and actually the place down is full, so which is why we are sitting here on top.
Sitting here, we are stuck here.
Yes. So we'll have
And it's this task to get down and
yes, and then come up all the way again. So we'll directly have vada pav now.
Toot pado.
2,000 years later.
So we are back in Goa and we removed all our stuff here. So almost half of the train is getting empty in Goa only. Like there are 80 travelers here who will be getting down at Goa along with us. And everyone is ready to leave. You see the excitement on their face of reaching Goa.
Because we want to try roast omelette.
Okay. So finally we are in Goa and all our bags are down. So the train is here. We have called Sarita to come to pick us up. Let's see where she is. But we'll get out of the station point. So finally Sunny has come and we'll put our luggage in first. Here goes our baggage. Let's move.
2 hours later.
Oh, hey guys, welcome back. We went home. I reached Joshua them also home, and right now I'm going back to the church. So there is Voice of Chandor today, and I said since we are right on time, meaning 8 o'clock we reached. So I said that we'll go and attend that. We'll check what's there. And I was not that tired. With the AC train, it is not that tiring. The journey is you feel refreshed even after you travel for, like, we are traveling for almost 24 hours now. Yesterday 5 we started, but still I'm pretty fresh, and even so is Joshua. And we'll go and we'll see. I'll show you also. I'll show you some clips. So right now I'm almost about to reach Chandor, and I'll collect Joshua first, and then all my clothes, all my accessories are also in the suitcase in hers only. So I'll put that and then we'll leave from there. We don't want to get too late also. It's already 9 o'clock. By 9:10 we'll be there. And finally my girl is here.
Hi.
So we are late. We were supposed to be there at 9, but I was feeling a bit hungry, so I stayed for food. And we are hurrying up to go to the church. So I'm not sure if it is even there or it has ended or what, but we'll see, and I'll try to show. So right now I'll reach near the railway crossing in like few minutes. And it feels so good driving. I think I missed this for 2-3 days. Mostly we were walking. We were traveling walking only in this thing, Wellington. We did not even hire a rickshaw because the distance was so short, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. But it feels so good to be driving and riding back again. So currently the house is going on. I better sit in this to click a picture. It's so irreverent. We had come to a house in Bodda. He puts really good deco. And you see, there are people come to watch his house. You see the amount of craze. And it looks really good.
The decor is really nice.
Yeah.
Oh, there's someone shade.
Merry Christmas.
Casa de Antonio.
There are so many lights and it looks really good.